Hello, Matt and TJ over at Tesdell Electric. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whenever you guys get to see this. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Wanted to get this video sent over to you guys, as I promised, showing you guys how you could start implementing some strategies to get more customers in the quote-unquote door or to your guys' website every single month. With that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. I don't want to waste a bunch of your time. A few things we're going to go over is the website build itself, some of the SEO, some of the back-end things, and to the Google My Business portion of it. So we have your website, right? You guys have a good-looking website. I absolutely love this. This is super cool. Got the little office building right here with the background in the city. I think that's super awesome. You guys got a good build, but for the most part, I'm not really seeing a whole lot of content on your guys' website, right? You guys have a few words here. You got some content there, a little bit there, some pictures, a little content here. But Google loves content. They want to see content all across your website, all of your service pages, everything. The average home page should have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on it, and not just any kinds of content, but keyword-rich content as well. You know, keywords that consumers are out there actually searching. I'll go into that here in a second. We want to have content all over our website, right? For the most part, great website. As I said, we're going to go into the SEO side of things and keywords, right? So I like to use this tool here. It's called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that we like to use. There is free softwares out there that you can go get this information as well. You just got to look for it a little bit. But we're going to jump into the keywords, right? So you guys have 61 keywords currently right now on your guys' website. I can go in here and I can see what keywords you guys are using. Electricians, Des Moines, Iowa. Awesome. There's 200 search volume for that. You guys are in 21st position. There's room for growth there, right? What other good ones do we have? Wisconsin, Tesdell. People are searching your name. There's 500 search volume. So people know who you are. I would assume you guys are probably doing some generic billboard advertising as well. Des Moines Electrician, 450 search volume. You guys aren't ranking very well other than your guys' name, right? And there's not a huge search volume for that right here. We can see. So one thing we can kind of compare and contrast to is your competition to figure out what they're using for keywords and how they're ranking with it, right? We want to go get high search volume, kinds of keywords, and we want to put that into our website. So we're going to take Mr. Electric. These guys are kind of dominating our area as of right now. And so we want to figure out what's working for them and how we can kind of take what's working and put it into our website, right? So we have Mr. Electric, 21,000 search volume, doesn't relate, right? You guys are not Mr. Electric. We don't want to have this on our site. Lamp repair near me. That has 18,000 search volume every single month. That might be a keyword you guys want to have in there, right? 240 volt outlet. That's getting 6,900 searches. Combined between the two of these alone, you're getting almost 25,000 searches every single month that could be going to your website that you guys are missing out on. You know, that's potentially losing customers because they can't find you. But that's a few of the things that we want to do for keywords, right? We want to have that loaded into our website. We're going to take your guys' URL here again. We're going to go back into Ahrefs. And we're going to look at some of the SEO side of things, or backlinks and citations, right? And I was looking at this briefly, and I saw something that kind of concerned me that I wanted to bring to your guys' attention. With that being said, it is your backlinks and your referring domains. You guys have good numbers of backlinks. There's always more to go get. But your referring domains. If I scroll down here, I can see that your guys' looks like back in January to mid-January of 14 to 15, you guys really hammered this hard. You guys really targeted your marketing, and your numbers boosted up. But as you can see, everything's kind of falling off. These always are going to fall off, so we want to be adding more. Constantly. We always want to be adding more. Your rating was falling off. Your pages fell off. Your referring domains are falling off. It's all falling off, unfortunately. So we want to go out and get some more referring domains. But we're going to go into backlinks, right? You guys have 2,000 backlinks right now. One that I had seen was this. This is, to me, kind of a red flag, right? This is a backlink that isn't really drawing a lot of power to you guys. And one way I can tell is by grabbing do follow backlinks, right? We want good do follow backlinks. Again, here it is. This is a do follow, but it's a spammy, probably an Asian site somewhere that isn't drawing you guys a lot of power. It only has 14 DR and 8 UR. That's low power. That's not really helping you guys out a lot. Things like this right here. Tesdell Electric, members, partners listed, right? This is drawing good power back to your guys' website. We want good citations. We want good link juice. We want good guest posts on our backlinks. We want stuff that's going to draw power to our site, not spammy stuff. And again, we're going to compare and contrast, right? We're going to figure out, what Mr. Electric here is doing. And we're going to, same thing, compare and contrast, right? Go into here, we're going to put this back in, and we can search it. And we're going to go out and we're going to target every single one of these good links that Mr. Electric has. Same with the keywords. We're going to target all the good stuff that they have, right? We want to target all of that and put it all into our website. With all of that being combined, we can really start to grow within the Google rankings and in the search engines themselves and start getting more customers in the door every single month. I have a feeling you guys know how some of this works, but I just wanted to bring it to your attention that some of the stuff is falling off and we need to start implementing it back into it. With that being said, Matt, over at Tesdell Electric, my name is Josh Nelson from Midwest Valley Marketing. I hope this video was informative and able to help you guys out in any way possible. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd be happy to answer your questions. Thank you and have a great day.